everyone, Nova here. I just received these two gorgeous Marseille decks from Tarot.com in France. These two decks are one of my favorite Marseille decks of all time, especially these copies that I have ordered, and I am extremely excited. I was so excited that I opened the cover, but not the box itself. But I did open them both, and then I thought to myself, let me share this moment with you guys. I am really excited. I will link letarot.com in the description box, but it is very simple. Letarot.com, they are in France, and they reproduce Marseille decks in the most beautiful manner, and I am very happy also with the whole transaction. It took me 5 days to receive their decks. I am in Europe though. If you have any more questions about them, you can ask me in the comment section. So I have received two of the most famous and sought after Marseille tarots, Tarot De Marseilles Jean Dodal, which was created in Lyon in France in 1701 and is restored by Jean-Claude Flornoy, and Tarot de Marseille Jean Noblet, which was created in Paris in 1650, restored by Jean-Claude Flornoy. All right, I will show you all the cards. It's wrapped beautifully. My experience with this website was great, although the way they communicate is quite weird, but I've seen some sellers do it the way they did. Basically, you cannot buy the decks directly from the website. You have to first send them an email telling them which decks you want and give them your information, your address and everything. Then they will send you a bill. Then you will pay the bill, and it has to be, if you're outside France, it has to be by PayPal. They will not send you any confirmation, nothing. A few days later, you receive the decks. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the Jean Dodal. So this is the box. It has 78 cards and a 24-page booklet. I am so excited, guys. Oh, the booklet is nice. It's a thick paper. And it goes about Jean Dodal in French. And then on the other side of the booklet, you have it in English. Presence is meaning. The Tarot teaches by example. When we look at it, when we listen with our eyes and find ourselves in these images, they show us a way. Wow, the cards are huge. And it is in this cream color. It's not that white. I don't know if my camera can pick it up properly because of the lights that I'm using, but it's not white. It is like off-white. And here you have it, starting with the magician, Le Batelier. So beautiful. Oh, the big eyes. Jean Dodal is famous for the big eyes. So beautiful. Do you want me to do a comparison between the two of them, or you want to see each one separately? Let me show you each one separately in this video. And then, wow, look at this. Oof. Look at this devil with the tongue out. Oh my god, it's so cool. Look at this guy. So I think it's best to show you each one separately in this video, and then if you want, write for me in the comments if you want to see a side-by-side comparison of the two, because you know they are quite different. Like in Jean Noblet, here you have his genitals hanging. Here is so funny. The dog is like he's coming out of the behind the bushes. You see? It is so gorgeous. The quality of the cards, amazing. I have heard about this deck from a few people. I've seen it in a few videos. One of them is HoneyLou. I will put a link to her channel in the description box because she has really amazing videos. She's very inspiring. I really like her. Also like her personality. Oof. Oh man, so nice. If you're a Marseille fan, you know. But when a Marseille deck is really high quality, it also really adds to the experience, the tactile experience of it. I mean, of course, that's the case with all the decks, but I don't know, Marseille is different. If you're into Marseille, you know. Look at the top of this sword. If you are a Marseille addict like I am, then you know. Look how weird this 10 of swords is. Amazing. The primary color palette. The suit of cups is incredible in this deck. It's so raw. Everything is so raw. I am so happy. Whew. This is a beautiful day for me. All right. Jean Noblet. Oh, it's wrapped inside the box, which is good. The guidebook is again very high quality, and is it all in English? Wow, this one is completely in English. Nice. It explains a bit about tarot and then about all the majors only. You guys know that in most older Marseille decks, the deck starts not with the Fool, but with the Magician. And then the Fool comes as the last major arcana after the World. Okay, these are the backs. Oh, love the backs. And these are, they have sharp edges, which I really appreciate, because the Jean Dodal one doesn't have sharp edges. The edges are rounded, but the Jean Noblet has sharp edges. Jean Dodal is off-white and the background. Jean Noblet is cream. Oh wow, so beautiful. Oh man, look at this. It is really beautiful. Wow. The way it feels in my hands. Look at this guy. So beautiful. So unique. I love it. The color palette on this one is more interesting. It is so unique. Each one of these decks has so much character. What a beautiful production. Wow. I will put both of them next to a standard Rider-Waite-Smith card for you guys to see the size of each deck. So beautiful. Wow. So here we have a RWS card. So the Jean Dodal one is this much bigger, half a centimeter wider, and I think 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter taller. And then the Jean Noblet is a centimeter narrower and like I think 2.5–3 centimeters shorter. Really love them both. I am so excited. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. Let me know if you want a comparison between these two, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.